Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Nella Viva, and today we are going to get into this really cute style. This is a crochet style, and it's really different from your typical crochet. As you can see here, it has this, what they call like a feather crochet. It helps it to lay a lot more flat and just be super beautiful and natural looking. And so I am using also my 3-way mirror here. So I actually put this on a stand so that I can sit down in my chair and do my hair, because long gone are the days where I have to stand up and just be knees tired. I'll be sure to link the mirror and the stand down below. I'll also be posting like a more in-depth video on my YouTube shorts as well as Instagram and TikTok, so make sure you follow me there. I got this hair from QVR hair, and as soon as I took it out the pack, it was so soft. I just knew that this was some amazing quality hair that would last a long time. This is one pack of hair in my head, and it is just so full and beautiful. And you guys, it is very lightweight. And for the braid down, I decided to have a professional do this for me to save some time and make sure that it's nice and secure, so when I put the crochet in, it would be able to flow and look super natural. When I was on vacation in Puerto Rico, and it definitely gave what it needed to give, actually more than. It was stunning. So this is me just showing you guys how I'm using my 3-way mirror to see. So let's go ahead and get into installing the crochet hair. So as you see here, I put the crochet hook underneath my braid. Then I'm adding the crochet hair on the hook, close it, pull it through, and now I'm making a loop with the crochet hair. Then I'm just pulling through one side and pulling those two together to close it, as you see here. And boom, bada bam, baby, it's that simple. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I'm doing another piece here. I also want to say too, I've seen people do this style with like really messy braids, so don't feel the need to have your braid down be perfect and super, neat and stuff like that. So just ensure that your hair is down enough to where like the crochet can hook onto something and stay on there. So yeah, I actually ended up taking this hairstyle to Puerto Rico with my family on a vacation, and I jumped off of like a mini cliff into the water. That was my first time ever doing that, but this hairstyle was just so perfect for traveling on vacation and just feeling so comfortable. Like my scalp was able to breathe. I could literally submerge it fully in water and then just feel so good and comfortable, because my leave out matches this texture really well. And speaking of my leave out, I end up leaving out too much of my leave out. So I end up going back and braiding some of that up, which I'll show you in the video. But yeah, with this style, you really don't even need to leave out a lot. You don't even need to leave out anything. Honestly, there have been lots of girls who've done this style and didn't leave any of their hair out, and it looks fantastic. So me, I just really love like it to look just like it's growing out of my scalp, so that's why I felt like I should just leave out a little bit of hair. And I did cut my hair down pretty short too, so if your hair is short, yeah, I would definitely recommend leaving out very, very minimal amounts of hair, just so it blends if you're going to be wearing the crochet hair long. So I did manage to get all 5 bundles of hair in, and it was so full, you guys. I did find that like I put a lot of the pieces in the back, because this is my first time doing a style like this. So I ended up taking them out and moving some more towards the front. So I would say, if you get all 5 packs, be mindful. You don't need to like overdo the back, because the hair is just so full. So you don't need to put them side by side. You can actually space them out in the back. This is actually great because you want to ensure that you have enough hair like towards the front. And then if you have extra hair, you can just always go back and put that in the back, rather than like me making the mistake of overfilling the back and then having to go take it out and then move it to the front. So just take that tip when you're installing it yourself. And to get your natural hair to blend with the crochet hair, you're going to want to use some type of curling gel. And when you do your leave out, you guys, be so mindful of how much you actually leave out. You really don't need that much. I had to learn the hard way, because I had to go back and braid some of that leave out out away and down so that I could crochet some more hair on it, because when I was trying to blend my leave out with the crochet hair, it just was so obvious because it was just too much and my hair was short. And then this crochet hair is a lot longer. So yeah, I went and braided some of this up. I pulled some of the crochet from the back and then went ahead and added it in up here at the front. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I'm blending my natural hair with the crochet hair. Also wanted to go ahead and shape the hair, so I took some scissors and went ahead and just tried to cut it into like I guess like a heart shape. Not the best with this, but I think I did pretty good for someone who's, you know, not a professional when it comes to things like this. So if you're, again, a beginner, just know that you can definitely still slay your hair yourself, and it'll be pretty simple and easy to do. Just start small with like how much you're cutting, and then you know, go from there. Like, don't just start chopping like crazy, like short lengths. Start very small. I got so many compliments when I wore it to Puerto Rico this way, but you can also define the curls with a brush and get an even, you know, different look that way. And the hair is just so versatile. You can wear it so many different ways as well, like in a high ponytail, you know, behind the ear. So I just love a style that is very versatile, very comfortable, very lightweight as well. Like, this hair may look heavy, but it is so lightweight. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you a couple of different styles you can do. And also, if you have a short hair like me, where it might be kind of obvious in the front, you can try using like a really cute scarf to tie around your hair in the front to just help with like disguising that so you can still slay this hair. So now when you want to get a different type of curl pattern, you can go ahead and add like a gel or maybe even a mousse. Use like a lightweight gel. I think the Shea Moisture gel is really great for that. I think for my hair up top, it wasn't strong enough. I think it worked great in terms of like being like a moisturizing type of gel that doesn't leave like a super hard cast. So I did end up combining like the gummy gel with my natural hair to be like a great mix together, like slight hardness, slight softness, but definition that was going to stay. So that's for my natural hair. But the extensions, I just use the Shea Moisture gel, and that worked fantastic. So what you can do is grab a actual like curl defining type of brush, and then go ahead and brush it through with that product on there. And what I like to do is make sure like I'm curving it at the end so that it'll really help with defining the curls. And if you have a hair diffuser, you can use that to dry the hair and keep that beautiful curl definition. But if you don't, they actually sell attachments that you can add onto your regular blow dryer, so I'll be sure to add a link down below. But if you also don't have one or you don't want one, don't worry, you can let your hair air dry. It might take longer, but it'll be just as beautiful still. And you guys, this hair is reusable, so you could definitely take this out and reuse it again because it is human hair, so it's great quality and long lasting. Now, in terms of taking this out, it's actually pretty simple to do, but it can seem complicated. What I actually would recommend is getting like the end of a rat tail comb, putting it through the knots, loosening it up, and then slipping it out that way. If you don't care to reuse the hair, you can definitely cut it. That's actually what I did when I took this style out. I used scissors and just went ahead and cut it, and it was super easy to do it that way too. And this is just so perfect again for just that versatility, like when you want to switch it up, give a different type of curl pattern. This is such a beautiful way to do that. So yeah, you guys, I am loving this hair. Let me know what you think about it. Do you love it? Are you excited to try it out? I will make sure to have everything linked in the description. I believe I used 20 inches of this hair, but again, just check the description for all the specific details. If you love this video, let me know down below in the comments, and then also go ahead and thumbs up the video as well. That would be super helpful to me, as well as other girlies in the YouTube algorithm looking for a amazing style to be versatile and gorgeous this summer and onwards. So yeah, thanks so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.